Hey, we are live. Hey, Trading Ever After, good morning. We are live. All right, market. What are we going to do today? Pretty big pullback here at the open. Not open, but pre-market. Are the bulls still in control? Hey, good morning, Perfect Play. How we doing? Oh, excuse me. All right, let's see. I'm curious what we do at the open, if this is going to rip higher or are we just going to continue to drop? Hey, good morning, Nicholas Conley. Except for the cold, yeah, man, we're in Ohio here, and I stepped outside, and man, it was chilly. Actually, borderline cold this morning. Today is a shorting day. Maybe. Good morning, Angel Q, Flojo, Rosie Rose. Good morning, Almighty. Good morning. How we let's do this, fellas. Let's just have a solid trading day. Let's not do anything crazy. Just slow and steady. Slow and steady. Good morning, Rain 1980. Good morning. Oh, I forgot the clock. I don't even think I had my clock up yesterday. And no one reminded me, or maybe you did remind me and I just didn't see it. Hey, good morning, Lawrence. Matty Matt. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Hey, Lawrence is in the building. Eva Tompkins, good morning. It is a beautiful morning. It's just cold. Like, it's not cold. It's like in the 50s. But when you've been used to the 90s, then it seems kind of cold. And the market is open, full business, and we are going to see if we rip higher, rip lower. What's she gonna do? Looks like she wants to maybe rip higher here. What are we doing? Looks like it wants to go higher. And there it is. See if the bulls are in control again. I was looking at the daily chart. Man, this is a pretty crazy rally. I didn't really appreciate how much of a rally we've been having. But we have now had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have had 8 green days in a row. So that's kind of crazy. So I don't know. We'll see. See if it continues today. And I need to make sure I got everything up. I think we're all good. Hey, good morning, least estimator. Mighty Mouse, good morning. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. Done for the day already? Roger Sam, good morning. I'm definitely looking for long entries. I'm definitely looking for longs. And definitely not trading the open. We're just chilling. Hey, and Aaron is done for the day. Let's go. You guys sure do quick work. You guys don't mess around. All right, market holding up pretty well here at the 40s. See if we continue. And there we go, up to the 50s now. Very bullish move here at the open. Let's see if this continues. The overnight session, we basically opened right at the lows of the overnight session and have since we haven't even tested the lows of the session, and we opened right down at it. So pretty bullish move here at the open. Will she keep going? All right, there we go through the 50s, 55s. Now at the 60s. There she is, 60, 64. Wow, this is ripping. We're testing VWAP here now. Testing it at the 67, 70s. And there we go, 65s. This thing is just looking like it's going to rip straight up. Hey, Garrett, good to see you. Peter Schapp, good morning. RG Ace, good morning. Let's go, Matty Matt. That's awesome. I think that's the way to do it. Candle Whisperer, good morning. Still waiting on Apex approvals. Oh, from the 15th. Yeah, you just got to breathe and relax. Anymore, when I submit a payout, I just expect it's going to take 2 weeks. That way, I've reset my expectations. It's kind of, I wish it wouldn't be like that, but you know, it is what it is. From the 815s to the 865s, 50-point move here at the open. Getting a pullback now. I'm a little bit, I don't know. I think we test the lows here before we go higher, so I'm not too, I hope we test the lows. Make that V-shaped reversal move, and away we go. That'd be awesome. That would be awesome. Go in trades in the house. Good morning. Cycling accounts for one payout amount a month. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. That's what I'm doing. Honestly, I can live with that. I can live with that. And here we go. See if we make new highs here. Yeah, also, yeah, I think that's a great idea as well, trading ever after. That's why you also need to diversify with your prop firm trading. Get a take profit or get another account, something that you can get a little bit faster payouts, something that you can keep trading as you wait for approvals. E-Man, the new video on funded futures. Yeah, I saw that. I thought it was a good video actually. Good morning, John. Good morning, John. I do find it kind of interesting that Top Step is doing away with their affiliate program. So now he's promoting My Funded Futures. Interesting. It's interesting. That's all I'm going to say. It's all good. Hey, Win, good morning. If I like My Funded Futures, I think it's a fair firm. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I don't like the people running it. I do not like the Matt guy and Sage, those two guys, douchebags. And quite frankly, I'm not sure I would use them just because of them too. Yeah, exactly, Matty Matt. Yeah, Top Step is moving to invite-only affiliates. Yep. Which I assume E-Man would be an affiliate, but the one thing that Top Step, yeah, I don't know. It'll be interesting because I am interested to see if I-Man is going to stop promoting Top Step. I'm very interested. Because if he doesn't, that means he wasn't invited on the affiliate program, which is kind of a surprise, but it's kind of interesting. All right, this market is struggling to get above the 65s now, so I do expect this to pull back further. I am not participating here, but I do expect this to pull back further. Yeah, exactly, Matty Matt. I just have zero. I just don't like. This guy sounds like I'm in. All right, let me look. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah. Yep, John. I saw that. I saw our friend Patrick Wieland is selling a course again. Shake my head, man. I had a guy. I had a guy on Twitter reach out to me. And he seemed perplexed. And his only thing, well, he was just curious. He said, I've been watching your Apex monthly payout videos, and it sounded like he watches Patrick a lot. But he said, I see Patrick making lots of profits, but I don't see him on the July payouts. Do you think it was missed or something? Like, he said something to that effect. He's like, it's so weird. It's so weird. I see all these profits being bragged about and selling a course being pushed, but I don't, where are the payouts? I'm like, I mean, that's a great question. I think you should ask him. Shots fired. I was in Jordan's mentorship, paid $1,000, and it was, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Candle Whisperer. He only blasts people who blast him. I mean, he blasts people regardless if they blast him or not. Hey, we did push through the 65s all the way up to about the 80s. Let's see if this continues. Getting some choppy action here now. Getting some choppy action. Rad poker in the house. I love it. I love it. Oh, good times, good times. It's just too funny. Some of this stuff is too funny. Self-taught and screen time is the best way. Yeah, I agree. I 100% agree. Oh, I need to not do this. Oh, too funny. All right. Enough reading on the internet for me. I just lost a couple brain cells. Enough reading on the internet for me for the day. Try 100 ticks. Say good morning, AO44. Expander 4, good morning. There is so much FUD going around about Apex. No, there's a lot of fake information going out. I'm still convinced that Top Step is behind a lot of the FUD. Like, someone had a Twitter burner account that they had a fake Apex email and about a payout denial that never happened. And then Mike from Top Step comments on the video and shares it to make it go viral. Oh my gosh, it's so predictable. But then they came back and it's like, well, yeah, it wasn't true. It wasn't true, but it could have been true. It's like so stupid. Oh, so dumb. My theory is keep the head, keep your, I'm just, I think the best way, keep your head down. And in 6 to 8 months from now, there's going to be a lot of clarity. There's going to be a lot of clarity in the prop firm industry. That's all I'm saying. There are some things coming that is going to separate the men from the boys. All right, here we go. 870s. We are just grinding higher. Not much, no pullbacks to speak of. Yeah. Hey, Namak, what is coming? I don't want to. I mean, I think we'll find out. How much are those 200? Oh yeah, Rad Poker. I've been wondering. Rad Poker, did I win in the golf? No, I did not. In a short story, I went over it yesterday. I don't want to rehash what happened, but I did not win and I did not make the cut. And I had my most embarrassing moment in my adult life. Expander 4. I mean, it's very simple. If you didn't break a rule, you will get paid. It's really not that difficult. Don't believe the things you hear. The same as the guy on Reddit. Guy makes a Reddit post, calls Apex a scam, goes on and on about, how they're a scam and they didn't pay him. So I reach out to the guy to try to help him understand why he got denied. Come to find out, he literally put his payout information, his bank ACH information, he put his routing number in as the account number, and he put in the account number as the routing number. It's like, and then it's just stuff like that where, people just freak out, blame everyone, but looking, and people I even told them, like, make sure you put in the correct information. Oh yeah, I double, triple checked it. It's like, okay, dude. Yeah, expander 4. I mean, okay, there have been instances. There's been a couple instances where I've helped people where they legitimately, like there was an error in, it usually was from international where people actually needed help, but that is a very small percentage. But yeah, if you follow the rules, you will get paid. I always think it's funny how, people break the rules and they know they broke the rules, but then then they call a scam. Well, I mean, I hate to break it to you, but if you're aware of the rules and the rules are there, and then you choose to break the rules, that is on you. Who caddied for me? One of my friends from church caddied for me. It was a lot of fun. I felt bad for my caddy because he had to suffer through it the same as I did. Yeah, I agree, Expander. I see Daryl. Hang on, what's Daryl on his boat this summer? That's too funny. Man, we really are just going straight up here. 952. I mean, there's no reason to, I guess. I mean, there's just no reason to think we're going to pull back now. This thing is just going up. I can see Daryl in that outfit. Spare me, please. Spare me. Wait, what happened? Let's just say I restarted. No, Red Poker. Okay, running it back up. Yeah, agreed. Who would have thought? Man, I'm trying my take profit account. Oh, I'm trying not to be greedy this time. Oh, it's hard though. It is hard. All right, we're right here at the 19,900s. Let's see if we rip through it. The overnight high is up here at the 930s. I did not expect that this would just go straight up. But that is what's happening. There we go, through the 900s. She ain't stopping. Look at this daily chart. This is crazy. From this candle here, we were at the 17, well, let's just call it the 17,800s. And now we're at the 19,900s. I'm not great at math, but isn't that 2,100 points? Have we really gone up 2,000 points? No shot. We have gone up 2,000 points in 8 days. That's insane. That has to be a record. Am I tripping? Am I bad at math or something? This is what the weekly chart looks like. And we're just ripping 914, 916s. Holy Toledo. What a crazy... I don't know why this didn't register till right now, but that's crazy. That is crazy. Yes, it was a par 72, MZ. Par 72, and the course played at about 6,800 yards. So decent long. You sent love letters to Donald Trump. Fed minutes are tomorrow? Okay. If I buy one contract and the trade going against me, is it okay to buy another one at a lower price? Spider Monkey, you can do that one time. That's called DCAing. But you can only do that one time. Yeah, that's... Hey, good morning, Red Poker. Yeah, you can also just exit. You know, that's a great point. Okay, man. Wow, what a rip higher here at the open. What a rip higher. I would love to get a pullback. Come on, man. This is just going to rip. You know it's going to rip, but then it's going to setting a trap. I'm telling you. All right, here we go. About to take out the overnight highs. Up at the 920s now. All right, there we are, the 920s. Man, oh man. All right, are we going to just keep going straight up the way this looks like? I'm about to jump in and participate. Really, we need a pullback. We need a pullback. It's got to be coming, right? Gotta get a pullback here. It's just crazy. Look at that. It just goes straight up. I don't want to be too aggressive here, but okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we get him pullback. I'd love to get a pullback to the 900s. Whew. Wow, look at that rip lower. Okay, now I'm scared. I said I want a pullback, but I don't want a sell off. Jeez. That's scary. Scary time. Hey, Timbo in the house. Matthew, good morning. We will hit at 20,000 sometime today. We could. No guts, no glory. Yeah. All right. We might take a stab somewhere here. Come on, don't go without me. Hmm. Ah, this was jumping in a little bit too soon. That was jumping in too soon. See if I can get out of it. I'll take it. Only taking one contract here. Okay, I'll take that. I like the support here at the 80s. Really curious how we close this candle. We got 7 seconds. Okay. All right, I might. Just gonna wait here. We might have another leg lower. I mean, I like around the 74s here. If I can get, I don't know. I'm a little scared. A little scared for longs. And now it's looking okay. And looks like we're gonna test. If this breaks down below, we'll just wait. As long as this 885, 86 holds, I like the long. We're just chopping now. We're having a battle right here at the 890s. All right, let's see if we break above the 900s here. There it goes. And rejected. Mm-mm-mm. All right, if we get down here to the 890s again, I might buy. I'm gonna just place an order right here. Probably gonna go without me here. And there we go. Just can't seem to get going. Doesn't want to do it. Yeah, I was a. Here's Johnny. This was a, it barely tested the over the 15-minute opening range high, but pretty good good entry. And now we're just kind of, all right, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Now I'm scared. The fact that we just kept going lower, or we failed to get above and hold it, is concerning. Think we could be in for a bigger leg lower. But if this holds, I might take a stab. Ah, this is... Now it's just choppy. And down we go. All right, now I'm definitely not looking for longs anymore. It looks dangerous. It looks dangerous. We could go test the lows here. Wow, look at this move. Oh, man. As soon as we lost this area right here, the 70s, would have been a very quick, nice move. Wow, what a rip lower. Crazy. Look out, boys. We going lower. Let's go, John. I hope you got it. Watch for watching our great leader speak. Why would the market ever go down? Oh, wow. What a rip lower. Crazy. I mean, right here, when we rejected off of this 900 breakthrough, and then once we got below this, I feel like those are pretty good setups that I just have never taken. It's okay if I don't, but I see those setups more and more, and it just is something that registers in my brain where I'm like, maybe I should start to look for that type of setup. Any news? Not that I know of. No, I don't think so. Just market doing, just NQ doing NQ things. Let's see if we get a push higher now before we go down and test the lows, or are we just going straight down? Looks like we're going to get a pump higher. Getting a bounce up to the 50s. Really tempting here to go short. Hmm. All right, are we going to take out the lows? Are we going to do it? It's a 100-point move from the highs here. On that first day of my PA, I lost $2,000 and nearly lost it the same day. Last week, I was able to get it back to minus 500. Wow, let's go, Daniel. That's awesome. It did not take out the lows flashback to yesterday. Yeah, that's true, actually. That is a very good point right here. Yesterday, we were like a couple points away from the overnight lows, and we failed to take them out, and we, of course, ripped higher. It's definitely tempting here to just buy the double bottom here. Basically, we're getting right down to where we opened up at. Feel like, I don't know, this is where I sometimes fail because I'm not sure I should. I'm not a support resistance trader, but some of these trades I do really like. Okay, here we go. We're about to test it, folks. Hold on. This is risky business here. But I might pull the trigger. Never mind, I did pull the trigger. That was a scalp. We are fine with a scalp there. That's a little tricky. It's a little risky there. I'm not too sure how fond I am of that trade, but hey. Red poker. Dude, are you serious, John? See, that's one thing I hate about take profit. That doesn't seem right. All right, we double test. We barely, actually, technically, we still have not gone through the lows of the overnight session. We are about 5 points away. You got to think we're going to take it out here. But man, this is very tempting to take another stab at this. Oh, I should have just done it. I was too hesitant. Not sure that I want to do it now. Now there comes the question, will we take this out or not? Man, I'm so tempted to buy here. I want to buy. But this is also where I usually mess up. This is where I mess up, try to buy the bottom, and then we I take a couple losses in a row and it just messes me up. Probably need to just be patient. But wow, what a move lower. Crazy. See what she does. We're not seeing a big push here. I think we're going lower. Yeah, here we go. I think we're going to take out this 800 level. Let's see. The moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh man, this is struggling to make a new low. Oof. This is where I gotta be careful. And there she rips. No new low made. I mean, technically I should be buying right here at the 840s. Your ninja stop diarrhea futures trader? Really? I haven't I don't have any issues on mine. All right, let's see. If we get above the 840s and then above the 850s, then I do feel like we can take some stabs at it long. There we go, above the 840s. Man, too hesitant, too slow. That's a pretty neat double bottom right now. Yeah, they are designed. Buyers are definitely defending that low. Makes definitely. Just need to see this continue though. This could just be a leg up and then we rip through the lows. I don't know why, but I'm like, it concerns me a little bit with that we've had this many green days in a row. I know it doesn't really matter, but that does feel like the odds are that we might be in for a red day. So I'm a little cautious. Just a little bit. We need a Discord. UCLA. Oh man, I've gone back and forth on having a Discord. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, that'd be sweet. I like a Discord. Then I see some other people's Discords and the things they have to deal with, and I'm like, yeah, I don't want no part of that. So I don't know. Okay, this is the moment where we got to be careful here. Uh-oh. Now, this could be the leg lower. This could be, now this could also be the trap for the shorts. If this rips higher now, then I like this as a trap. If we make new if we make new lows, obviously can't be looking at longs anymore for the moment. Here we go. See if it's going to go through this time. Here we go, folks. Hold on. Hold on. Is it going to double bottom again? Jeez. Here we go. See if the buyers step in again. I feel like it's so risky to buy right here, but man, I could have scalped this low like 4 different times. Ugh, it's all right. Okay, and we are about to take out the lows. And there she goes. There she goes. Took out the lows, but this might just be a rip higher now. Might have trapped the shorts here. Who knows? Let's watch. Hey, let's see if we get a bounce. Man, do I want to take... do I want to take this or not? I'm gonna wait. Nah. What I don't want to see is this I just don't want to see this slow grind lower. I don't want to see a slow grind lower. I hate that. Feel like this is just wanting to trap both ways. Actually, you know what we need to do? We need to look at some, let's look at the hour chart and just see what kind of, when we're right now at this, the 780s definitely, yeah, design, I agree. The 780s, we could, 780s is might be what we're looking at. Definitely let's look at the 780s. Right here, the 780s might be. And now we're going to pump it. Huh. I don't trust the long yet. I don't trust the longs. We've been stair-stepping this down. I'm not interested in a long yet. Feel like this is kind of trapping the longs. Longs got trapped here. They got trapped here. And just don't like the vibes right now. I took 5 scalps off the lows. Nice, Steve K. I was saying that, like, right here off this double bottom, you could have scalped, yeah, 3, 4, 5 times. Hey, good morning, D Versatility. Good to see you. Hope it's going well for you. This market reminds me of a duck race. Hey, we might do a duck race today, so I do smash that like button if you want to do a duck race, all right? But there are potential. We have some options for a duck race today. The daily pivot is at 750 as well. True. Pivot point is right at 750 as well. Something to keep in mind. Again, feels like we're just stair-stepping this down right now. And really haven't seen a lot of, the buyers are trying, but they just can't seem to do it. Let's see if we make new lows, take out the 800s. 800s are also going to be an interesting level that we need to get through. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Hold on. I think we're going to take out these 800s right here. Oh man, this price we've kind of died down now. Oh, now we're trying to push higher again. I don't know. The bulls are definitely holding this low of day. They are definitely putting up a fight. So, never mind. Now it's going lower again. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we take out the 800s here. It's a pretty bearish looking candle here. And there we go, to the 800s. This is starting to look like a slow grind lower. And if that happens, duck race and the market are both rigged. You missed the last duck race. I've been thinking about how we can make the duck race even better. I'm not sure yet, but I got some ideas. I can just live down here at the bottom. Makes you a bottom dweller. Add more ducks. Well, I thought about adding more ducks, but then it's kind of hard. You kind of lose track of all the ducks. There's so many of them. And down we go. This is the 780s now. Here we go. Is it gonna hold? That's the question. Here we go. 780s about to take out. 780s. Let's see if we get a bounce. We might just rip right through it and go down to the 750s. That is also a possibility. Yep, there we go. 770s. $760s. She ripping, boys. $765s. Oh man, I just can't justify going long now. We just, I guess, wait because I don't know. Maybe I do look at taking some shorts today. Yeah, the daily pivot at 750. Ducks take a lot of energy. And now we're bouncing off the 760s here. See what happens. Oh boy, she looks like she might want to bounce. She might want to rip. This could be another trap for the bulls here. Man, this is just feeling very heavy. Feeling very heavy. Does not look like we are. Every time it feels like we might get the bounce, maybe get a V-shaped move, it gets pushed lower pretty quickly. Here we go, down to the 760s. We are going lower, folks. See if we test that 750 area here now. Here we go, 755s. See if we go right through the 750s here. And here we are at the 748s, 45s. It's looking like a bloodbath, folks. It's looking like a bloodbath. It is not looking promising. Looks like the Bears are back in town, at least for today. Now I'm curious to see, can we get a big bounce here off the 50s or not? It's trying to bounce, but that's pretty weak. Man, it's crazy. Is YM holding up? Okay, interesting. Yeah, housekeeping is coming in. All right, let's see if we get a bounce on the 750s here. I just don't want to take this long at all. And I'm tempted. I'm tempted to try a bounce. I'm tempted. I just said I won't do it, but I'm still now, I'm tempted. All right, here we are getting a bounce. 760s now, 762s. Let's see if it holds, or is it just going to sell right back down? Okay, we definitely are getting a bounce off the 750s, at least a little bit. Let's see how big of a bounce this is going to be. Right here this is where it's been trapping the longs, right here. See if it continues. All right, 774s, 75s. Hey, this bounce is looking good if you took it. If you took it, congrats, man. I wish I would have, but I didn't. I was tempted, but I didn't take it. Oh, I should have taken it. Man, it's a beautiful bounce. That's a 30-point bounce off the 50s. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. Nice trade. You took it. You got your 10 points. Let's go. Nicely done. If you took that, you are sitting pretty right now. You are sitting pretty. Really, no need to get out. There is no need to get out if you're long. I like what I'm seeing here. You tried the last bounce and it didn't work. Hey, Timbo took it for 20. Let's go. Nicely done. This thing is ripping, folks. It is ripping higher. What a move. What a move. Let's see. We're getting close to the EMA here at the 808, 800 levels here as well.
Hi.
Okay, market. Very curious what we do up here at the this is a nice bounce. Is this the bottom for the day? That's the question. That is the question right now. But it is looking bullish. We're just going straight up. Four off, going to hold the last, hoping to get 830s. Let's go, Black Coffee. Let's go. Nice trade. Love to see it. Love to see it. Held my nose and got that bounce. Let's go, Mighty Mouse. Man, I was so close to taking it. Like right here on this candle, I had my finger on the trigger, but I didn't do it. So it's all right. Okay, let's see if we get up above this EMA right now. We're stalling here a little bit. All right. Yeah, that daily pivot, man, this daily pivot was precise. Very impressive. Very impressive indeed. All right, we're testing that EMA right here. See if she's going to rip it. Looks like it. Excuse me. All right, I'm hoping, can we at least get a pullback here? Man, it doesn't look like it wants to pull back at all. Oh, I just need to wait till I get a pullback and then we get in and hopefully we continue higher. I need to run upstairs. My 11-year-old needs help. I'll be right back. And we're back. Ooh, we got the pullback. We got the pullback. Now, is this just stair-stepping it down? It's looking very questionable. Don't really like long. I don't like a long right here, to be honest. Man, this Mario, I don't know. This is starting to feel like this might just give us another leg lower. Seriously thinking about going short. Hmm. Ah, I don't like how that just drops. I don't know, man. I don't know. You're going to try and stay short under the opening range? Not a terrible idea. Hmm. Oh. Now the market just doesn't know what it wants to do. Looks like it wants to break up and keep going higher, maybe. It's definitely struggling. Kind of both directions here. Let's see if we can push above this, the 80s here, or the 7. Push above the 800s. I feel like I'm chasing this, but I do like how this is setting up for a long. Come on. This was a dumb trade. I'm just going to get out for break even there and pretend like I didn't take that trade. Can we all do that? I think we can do that. Let's all just pretend like I never took that trade. That was not a good setup at all. Red potion its glitter thong. We do need a duck race. I think we're gonna do a duck race. We are gonna. I think we're gonna do a duck race, but I do need to see. We need to see a certain amount of. Smash the like button. Smash that like button if you want to do a duck race. All right. That will tell me how bad you guys want to see a duck race. This was a bad trade right here, that's for sure. Even if it goes higher, I have zero regrets. Hmm. Interesting. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. All right, looks like we're trying to make a move higher here, but it doesn't feel like we have much momentum. Your oldest became a senior in high school today? Oh, wow. Yeah, so a lot of people, this is the week where school starts. School is starting for a lot of people. This is the first year because we're moving to Florida for the winter. It kind of causes issues with school. So, yeah, we are actually going to homeschool for the first time ever. Our 11-year-old, we're going to homeschool this year. So, we appreciate all the thoughts and prayers. We're going to need it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. But it does is with moving to Florida, it just makes it very difficult to. We didn't want to be switching schools and doing all that type of thing, so decided to give homeschool a try, at least for now. Apex Trader homeschooling. Yep, that's right, Daryl. You teach him how to trade. Yeah, yeah, John. I need to hide my payouts. He still gives me crap about that. Anytime I tell him that we can't, nope, he wants to buy something. I'm like, no, we're not going to buy that. He's like, but Dad, you already made this much money. And he's like, I'm like, son, that isn't that much money. First of all, that was so funny, John. That was pretty funny. Trade Ever After. I'm actually not sure the curriculum that we chose. So, yeah, the wife is going to be doing the teaching. I think I'm going to be teaching math. But everything else is my wife is teaching. So, it's for the better. I do need to clip that, John. There's a lot of things that I wish I would have clipped. I need to clip. I do today is lawn mowing day. So I do need to mow the lawn today. Looking forward to it. Man, what a choppy area we're in right now. This is very, very choppy. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. I need to call it a day. I went from minus 300 to green to almost 500 over trading. Hey, that was a good time to stop, Eric. Good time to stop. Call it good and shut the thing. Shut her down, boy. Shut her down. Is there still such a thing? Workshop? I don't even know. Yeah, a lesson on taxes and cost of living is needed. I agree. Hey, good morning, Justice. There's a chance we'll do a duck race today, so hang around. The infamous duck race. Shaquille O'Neal said when his kids say we're rich, he tells them we're not rich. I'm rich. That's hilarious. Oh, that's too funny. Don't get it twisted. It's me that's rich, not the kids. Oh, that's too funny. What part of Florida? We're going to be in the Sarasota area. So on the west coast of Sarasota, or the west coast of Florida. You're just waiting for the duck race. I'm hoping I can get another setup here, but I have not taken a lot of trades so far today, honestly. The only account I've traded so far is this one. Oops, I wasn't showing. Yeah, this is the only account I've traded today. I am definitely not trading these accounts as aggressively as I once was, which I'm okay with. I was trading them a little bit too much at one point, and I'm totally fine with slowing it down. All right, can we break out and break above this EMA here? Feels like it wants to, but we've tried so many times and we just keep failing. Oh man, this is brutal. We're gonna break out one way or the other here soon. You know it. But we don't know which way. It's been a whipsaw action right now. We go up and down so far. My boys keep asking for the duck race whenever they hear you in the background. Let's go, Justice. I love it. Dude, I saw the cutest thing. I should have recorded it so I can show you guys, but I saw the cutest thing. Our 3-year-old Cody. So Cody's the guy that loves when I do the duck races. So the other day, he was playing with his cars in the living room, and we kept hearing, oh wow, there it goes, breaking above. And we kept hearing him like just like yelling. Like he was yelling, and we thought something was wrong. And we go in, at first it was my wife. She goes in and is like, man, what is going on? And she thought like he was, something was wrong. She thought he was upset. But she came in and she noticed he was just playing with his cars. She didn't know what was happening. And then she heard him do it again, and then she just stuck her head in and just kind of, spied on him a little bit. And here he had all his different color cars, and he was imitating me doing the duck race. Oh my gosh. It was the cutest thing ever. He was like, and here comes red. Here comes red. Here comes blue. And he was imitating me. And the cars represented the ducks and the different colors. Oh my gosh. It was so cute. It was so cute. Oh, I love it. I told my wife, next time he does it, we have to take a video. Then you could hear him, like you can hear him say, duck race, duck race. Oh, it was too cute. Rigged. I'm sure his race was rigged like the other. Hey, John. Hey, John, you good? You need a new keyboard? John. Poor Poor John needs a new keyboard again. Hey, Traders Chick, how we doing? Boat, RV, Harley, laptop, and call it a day. Let's go, Timbo. Next thing you know, he'll be collecting bets from his friends. Good times, man. All right, market. Wow, this price action just died all of a sudden. It just died. We could get we could look at an entry there, I guess, but man. All right, let's see if we can get above the 810s now. That's been the previous area of resistance, but the fact that we have not made a new, we did not go test these 750 again. I definitely gotta be looking at a long entry. Hey, Camber Trades, good to see you. Good morning. Pro Trader Mike, how we doing? How do I contact me about business with me? You can send me an email. My email is nuttybar1983@gmail.com. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get above the 810s. We got the 810s, then we got the 818s, 820s that we need to get through. What's my thoughts on Buellnox, Kinja? Honestly, I've never used him, but I don't have anything bad to say about him. I've never really seen I guess, a reason to use him. So I've never used him. How long does it typically take for funds to be delivered? Apex sent me an email on the 15th that funds, you say, I have not received the funds. What is today? The 20th? So the 15th was on a Thursday, so Friday. It should be by like tomorrow, so 3 to 4 business days. So 3 to 4 business days should. So which 4 business days would be the 21st, so it should be by tomorrow. Sometimes depending, it varies a little bit. I know international gets it a little bit earlier than if you're domestic for some reason, but email on the 15th to typically around 4 business days. Yeah, that's kind of what I've found. 4 business days would be tomorrow. We're just grinding higher now. Just a slow grind higher. No problem, Gunners. Hey, is it here? The Ducks channel? The duck race is confirmed. I think we can say that there is Let me actually look. Let me see how many people smashed the like button. How many people smashed the like button right now? Let's see. Oh, that's, oh man, I don't know. I'm not sure we can confirm a duck race yet. It's kind of, I don't know about that. Can we do 200 ducks? Oh my gosh. Can you imagine doing that many ducks? Florida for the winter for a meetup. Hey, I'm down. We should do a golf outing. Golf outing. 200 ducks would be epic. It would be crazy. I don't even know how you would do that. Like, you couldn't see them. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you would do it. All right, market. We did break above the 810s, so maybe we can get something going here. And then it just immediately retraces. It's crazy. All right, let's see. I mean, we're just getting these little micro pullbacks, and then we're getting breakouts, follow with another micro pullback. I'm not crazy about trading that, but basically I just want to be entering long at the lower part, the bottom part of this channel. That is the main discipline when we trade in this kind of way. When we have price action like this, we just have to we just got to trade a little bit, trade the bottom part of the channel. Hey, Wiz No Fear. Wiz No Fear, man. It's been a while. I would remember you. Thank you. I appreciate that. And good to see you. Usually one lake water. Oh, yeah. What's the level indicator you're using? Level. Bob Marley, I'm not sure what you mean by level. Do you mean the opening range, like the imbalance? This is like the initial imbalance is what this is. It just shows the 15-minute opening range. It shows the pre-market session low, session high, and it shows the current day session low, session high. But it's the initial balance from trade devil indicators. It will take all the power in the neighborhood with 200 ducks. Oh, wow. Look at that rip. I thought about buying here, but And now we're pulling back again. Man, this is... do I want to take a shot here? Ah, man. These micro pullbacks. Not too fond of these wiki candles that we got here. Makes me a little bit nervous. And now we're seeing a little bigger pullback here. I'm gonna see how this plays out. And back down we go. All right, now I'm definitely not pulling the trigger long. Excuse me. Look at ES. What is ES doing? Ooh, I see. ES never really did make a bounce. They were already testing the lows. That is interesting. That is interesting. Well, I'm not sure what I want to... I think I'm going to go grab a bite to eat, guys. I'm going to go grab a bite to eat real quick, and I will be back. Okay. All right, we're back. All right, pull them back again. Let's go. I'm just taking trades off of these little pullbacks. I'm just gonna take them. We're just scalping today. Not doing only one contract. Only one contract. All right, now we're right back down to this EMA. Man. Okay, I don't think I'm going to chase this. What time is it? 11:43. 12 o'clock, we usually have these reversals as well. Mikey. Patrick Whelan has a new course. Do you recommend? I cannot, unfortunately, cannot recommend. But you spend your money how you see fit. Man, that candle was rough. That is why when you scalp for 22 ticks, you can sometimes be wrong on a trade and still get a winning trade. Wow, this thing really is going to just completely fall apart. Definitely don't trust going long anymore. Well, maybe. I just don't like... Kind of putting in a bottom here. Let's see if this wants to rip. How much I set my stop at? Orlando, it depends. But on the 22 ticks, usually around 40 to 50, sometimes 60. Ah. Man, this market, it's been kind of, I don't know, today definitely hasn't really been a great market. Man, this price is now just very boring. Very boring here. Hey, respect my patience. Thank you, Mikey. It's not easy sometimes. Some days I don't know. It's some days are easier to be patient than other days. Today I'm really just. It's always easier to be patient for me when I'm up, when I'm green. When I'm green, I don't have as I don't mind. I don't mind just waiting till I really like a setup. It's a lot easier for me to be patient if I'm green. Hey, let's have us a duck race. I think that's a great idea. All right, boys, you shall get it. Ask and you shall receive. The duck race is going on. You got 10 minutes, folks. 10 minutes to enter the duck race. All right, we might do 20 entrants. I think we're going to test it with 20 entrants just to see. See if that works. And, or maybe it might be too chaotic, but we're going to give it a shot. Oh, wow, look at that move higher now. She wants to rip it. She wants to rip it. What a rip higher now. I just had the market. This is proof that the market approves of the duck race. I literally had to only talk about a duck race and the market goes up by 20 points. There's your proof. You don't need any more proof than that. There is proof. The market loved the duck race. We're going to do 20 entrants instead of 15. And the top 3, so we're going to do it differently today. We're going to do 20 entrants. So there's going to be 20 ducks. I have 3 codes. I have 3 codes from Apex for a free eval, which is actually worth a lot more money now because there's only 71% off. So we got 3 codes. We are going to do 3 races, okay? We're not going to do first, second, and third. We're going to do 3 races, and each winner of each race will get a code for a free eval. It does have to be rhythmic, though. And anywhere from the 50K account size to the 300K account size. For some reason, the codes don't work for the 25K account. So 50K up to the 300K account. So we're gonna, it should be fun. 20 entrants and 3 heats. And each winner gets a code. Wow, what a rip higher. That's impressive. Hey, Peter Schapp in the house. Join now. The duck race contest is going on. Exclamation mark Nutty to be entered. All right, market. I'm really curious if we're going to just go higher. Part of me I feel like we might just go sideways now. We could just go sideways. I was thinking about doing each heat pick a new set of names, but I feel like that's going to take too long. All right, let's see if we break out above the 830s here. We got to break above the 830s. Hey, here we go. Breaking above 830s. Can she keep going? Now we got to get above the VWAP, above the 840s here. Guys, you got 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes left to enter the duck race. Well, wow, look at that. Very nice breakout. Here we go, above the 840s, and we got ourselves a... Now we're right at VWAP. See if we can get through the 40s. Wow. Okay, I just need a pullback here to get in. We might go test the high of day again. We might. We just might do it. What a nice move higher. Wow. Exclamation mark Nutty. Hey, there's Kid Poker in the house. What a nice move. Break above the 40, the 30s. Too bad we didn't take it. Man, it's not going to pull back at all. It's just not pulling back. Straight up. It's one of them straight up moves. All right, is everyone you have 1 minute and 30 seconds left to enter the giveaway. Not the giveaway, the duck race. We have you got 1 minute and 20 seconds. Exclamation mark Nutty to be entered for a chance to be selected for the duck race. We're going to do 3 duck races, and each winner will get a code for a free Apex eval of 20 any size 50K or larger. It is just going higher. We are all the way up to the 57s. Ooh, what was that? That's a quick pullback. Was the 12 o'clock, I guess. Interesting. Hey, Jack Co, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Man, I'm thinking about getting in on this, but all right, guys, the giveaway has ended. You can no longer enter. The email address you gave me doesn't work. You must not have used the right one. Hang on, I'll put it in the chat. That's the email. Just exited your trade. Here's Johnny. Let's go. Wait. No, did you miss at least estimator? Oh, I'm sorry, at least estimator. I really am. Did you miss it too, Clarity? Oh my gosh, you guys. Can I even open it again? I'm not sure if I can open it again or not. I'll try it. Resume entry. See if you can try. I'll give you guys 1 minute. 1 minute to get in. You got 1 minute. You're welcome. 1 minute, folks. All right, guys. We are going to end the giveaway here very soon. It's 12:05. At 12:06, it's ending, and we are not going to, we're going to end it for real. In 20 seconds. Beer 30. Okay, 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Hey, let's go, Speed Racer. You got in. Let's go. All right. Now the entrants are closed. That's official, folks. That is official. I'm sorry, but I can't just keep opening it. We're going to be here all day. Okay, boys. It is time to pick. Right now, I'm kind of right on. Give me just a second. I want to watch this a little bit. Man, I was going to enter here, but that candle kind of scares me. All right, never mind. We're going to go. Okay, here we go. We are going to select people to enter in the duck race. If this is your first time joining, I guess you just watch. You just got to wait and see. All right, here we go, boys. Here's how it's going to work. We are going to we're going to pick 20 names this time. And then we are going to race. And the first place is the only place that will be a winner. And then we're going to do 3 races. And the winner will be eliminated each race. So you can't win twice. All right, here we go. And the first one to be entered is DM. DM will be a participant. Good luck, everybody, by the way. Good luck, everybody. Oh, look at that. Least estimator made it into the race. Let's go. Now, there's going to be probably going to be some rumors out there, rumors swirling around that this duck race might be rigged, but don't listen to that FUD. Don't listen to the FUD, man. Carlos Cortez Congratulations and good luck. And then we have Streamlabs. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Streamlabs is the... okay, hang on. Wait a second. I didn't even know Streamlabs could win. We can't put Streamlabs in, okay? That's not possible. We're going to X out Streamlabs, okay? Don't worry. This is not rigged. Streamlabs been removed. Wait, that's you? Why do you have a name that is the same name as my... Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I will put you back in. I will put you back in. Okay, you're back in, Streamlabs. You're back in. It's all good. You're back in. See? This is where I'm putting in the names. You're in. You're in, Streamlabs. It's all good. I apologize. I thought that was my Streamlabs little glitch in the system. Nothing to worry about. Definitely not rigged. Definitely not rigged. All right, here we go. This hello? Victor. Okay, hang on. Victor 33 is one of the participants. And then we have Sam R. Congratulations, Sam R. Good luck. And now, next one is, look at that. We got UCLA. Nice, nice. We're getting some OGs in here. All right, next one is going to be... Give me a second. All right, never mind. I thought for a second I got put in a trade, but I didn't. All right, next one is Cal L. Cal L with a participation into the duck race. And here we go. Next one is Michael Steinberg. Let's go, Michael Steinberg. You love to see it. All right, this is the 10th. Now, this will be the 10th name because we already... Oh, look at that. Traitorous Chick. Traitorous Chick has made it in the duck race. Oh, I want so bad. I want John to make it in this duck race so bad. If only, if only. But I can't rig the duck race, obviously, because it's not rigged. All right? Okay. We have 10 names in. Now, we're going to remove these 10 because we need to pick 10 more. And it doesn't let me do more than 10 at a time. All these names are already in, so nobody needs to freak out here. Okay, here we go. Here's the next set of 10 names. Oh, RG Ace. RG Ace. Nice. Congratulations and good luck. Next one is Citizen Zero. Let's go. We got some real OGs in here. Citizen Zero. Good luck, sir. And the next one, oh, we can't have Carlos. How did he get entered twice? That's not, we can't do that. All right, pick a winner. Here we go. Oh, Soul Search Gurus. There are a lot of old, I love it. This is the best race so far. And to top it off, here is Design Knob. What? He can't. Oh, the man, the myth, the legend himself is officially in the duck race. We can no longer claim that this duck race is rigged. See? Now Design knows it's not rigged now. Not rigged at all. Okay, here we go. Oh, and look at that! Black Coffee Trader! Let's go! This is definitely the best duck race we have seen ever on this channel. This is the best duck race ever. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be a good duck race, folks. You do not want to miss this one. And here's the next one. Wait, hang on. Tam's lean. Okay, Tam's lean. I get it. Yeah, Tam. Sometimes I need to see the symbol. There we go, Tam's lean. Another OG. Oh, man, this is good. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Okay. I have no words. We're just going to X this out. Okay. It's all good. Nobody. Hugely rigged. I swear, I promise on my life that this is not rigged. I promise it's not rigged. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. Here we go. Mikey with a chance to get in. I can't believe we picked Traitorous Chick twice. Oh, it is 100% random, I promise. And here we go. Oh, and another OG. Daryl with a chance. I mean, this is the best duck race. No, I mean, this is the best duck race we've ever done. It's just no doubt about it. And here we go. We have 2 more names. Oh, we got 2 more names. Can we pick 2 more OGs? Donald Cooper. Donald Cooper is number 19. Congrats and good luck. All right, here we go. This is the last name to be entered. Oh, let the drama. Here we go. And it's Set K. I'm happy for you, Set K. All right, this is awesome. Let me copy all the names just in case. And we are done. We are going to do a 2-minute and 30-second race. All right. Whew. All right, boys. It's time. Give me a second. Let me get all this prepared. We got to be prepared for the duck race here. Wow, the market is continuing to pull back. Very interesting here. Very interesting indeed. Okay, am I ready? Oh, we need the sound. We need the sound on so you guys can hear it. More like worse con Adam. Oh, man, I can't believe how many OGs we got picked in this race. It's crazy. All right, that's a lot of ducks, folks. That is a lot of ducks. Oh, you know what? I think Cody is taking a nap. Feels bad. I always watch. I get him. He gets to watch the rerun, so he won't miss out entirely. Hang on. Let me hide my payout here. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. Is everybody ready? Just so we all know, we will be doing 3 races. The winner will be eliminated. The winner is the only one that will get that free code. Here we go. The second and third place in each race will not get anything. They will get a small participation trophy. That's it. All right. On your mark, get ready, set, go. And we're off. This is the biggest duck race year to date with a lot of really big names. Now, we all know, for those that have been around, we know we need to pace yourself. But we got Traitorous Chick in the green duck. We got Sam R. We got Carlos Cortez making a push. Oh, here comes Black Coffee Trader. Black Coffee Trader said, I ain't worried. I'm going for this. I'm going for it early. Will it pay off? Then we got George Washington, Soul Search Gurus, putting up a battle. Daryl Bapty also in the lead. We got Set K. Looks like Is that Donald Trump? I don't know. Anyway, here comes Soul Such Gurus is making a push. Black Coffee Trader might be reserving some energy here. We are down to 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Daryl Bapty, now Michael Steinberg is making a push. And here we go. We got Least Estimator, the red duck. He stands out. He's trying to make a push. We got UCLA, Traitorous Chick. All of a sudden, Traitorous Chick is in the middle of the pack. And where Black Coffee Trader drifting toward the back. We got Daryl Bapty toward the front. Now, we got Set K making a push. Michael Steinberg so far, it's just holding that lead. It is very congested, it's crazy. We got 50 seconds left. DM making a push. Now we got Victor. I don't even know what kind of duck that is, but it looks like a vampire duck. Victor 33 is trying to make a push. Here comes Donald Cooper from the back. He's coming. He's putting a move on. Okay, guys, this is it. 30 seconds remaining. Donald Cooper is looking good. He's making a push. And also Carlos Cortez is making a push. Now Mikey coming from the back. Who's going to make that final push? 15 seconds to go. It is very congested. Oh, here comes Design Knob. Design Knob is making a push from the back. Can he hold? 3, 2, 1. He did it. Design Knob for the win. Oh, no, he didn't. Design Knob came out of nowhere. Definitely not rigged. Oh, my God. Let's go. I can't believe Design Knob won. I believe we might need to do a full-on investigation. We might need to do a full-on investigation in this duck race. It does seem there are some irregularities that we're noticing. So stay tuned. No, I promise the duck race is not rigged. Oh, man. He came out of nowhere. You did. It seems like that's always how it happens. All right, here we go. We are going to remove Design Knob from this race. And we're going to go again, boys. How do I make my duck go faster? You see the arrow key on your keyboard? So if you push the arrow key, whoever pushes it the fastest and the most times, that's who wins. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I didn't share this before, but you have complete control of your duck. If you don't push anything, it's just going to randomly, you're just going to go at random speeds. But you have to push your up or down arrow on your keypad. So you got to really smash that up and down button and in order to win. So use it wisely. All right, here we go. Duck race. Here we go. Race again. We got the timer. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. This is heat number 2. On your mark, get ready, set, and go. Here we go. Again, we got Set K making a push right in the beginning. We all know the beginning doesn't matter. The end is what matters. We got some very familiar names here. Soul Such Gurus. We got Traitorous Chick. We got Least Estimator. Michael Steinberg. Black Coffee Trader. Daryl. We got UCLA. We got Mikey. There's a lot of very, very well-known names here. Place your bets now. Here we go. Daryl Bapty trying to make a push. We got Black Coffee Trader in the nice pink duck with stars. I can't see how that duck doesn't win. Then we got Citizen Zero. We got Tams Lean. We got Victor 33. Again, Traitorous Chick making a nice push here in the beginning. It looks great. Does she have the stamina? You gotta reserve that energy. Make sure you don't smash that up and down arrow too quickly. Here we go. Tams Lean trying to make a push. Oh, here comes Least Estimator. Least Estimator is picking up some speed from all the way in the back. It looks like he's going to surge forward for the lead with 1 minute to go. Now, can he hold? Here, he's just going to try to maintain that lead. But we got Tamslene, we got Michael Steinberg, we got RG Ace, and now Set K. They're all challenging for that lead. We are down to 45 seconds. Around 30 seconds. This is where it will matter. Again, here comes Daryl Bapty. He's making a push. We got 35 seconds. Least estimator is looking good. Daryl Bapty also looking good. Now we got Victor, the vampire duck, making a push. 25 seconds to go. Here comes Streamlabs. Streamlabs, which almost didn't make it in the race. Uh-oh. Least estimator and Citizen Zero, they just fell flat on their face. I think they broke a wing. They are done. Oh, here comes Black Coffee Trader. He's making a push. Oh, can he hold? Here he goes, and he wins. Black Coffee Trader. That was a great use of your up and down arrows. I gotta say, you reserved that energy right when you needed it, and you just whoosh, and you got him. Let's go, Black Coffee Trader with the win. Let's go. Oh, wait, we got Cody here. You hear us do a duck race? I thought you were taking a nap.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to do another duck race, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, the pink duck won.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. All right, guys. One more race. Here we go. Now, which duck do you want?
Red duck.
Red duck. Oh, you knew he was going to pick the red duck. I'm long A contracts because of the arrow keys. Oh, that's too funny. I wonder how many of you actually were pushing the up and down arrow keys. Oh, I'm gonna laugh if someone did that. All right, Cody, are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you say ready, set, go?
1, 2, 3, go!
And go! Good job, Cody. Okay, here we go. And we got the vampire duck taking the lead. We got 2 minutes to go. Who's gonna do it? This is the final heat. This is the final race. We got Traitorous Chick again in the green duck. We got Least Estimator in the red duck. You gotta think he's gonna be the favorite because Cody picked him to win. And here's Citizen Zero taking the early lead. We got, who is this? RG Ace trying to make a push for the lead. Again, we all know this. You got to reserve your energy. You want to be around the middle of the pack. With about 30 seconds left, you want to be in the middle. Least Estimator, the red duck, is looking good. We got Cal wasting energy. That's what that is. We're just wasting energy at this point. Here's Citizen Zero also making a pretty strong push. We got DM making a push. Now UCLA making a push. Soul Search Gurus as well up there in the lead. Daryl Bapty trying to make a push. The Least Estimator, the red duck, is reserving energy. Reserving his energy. We all know he has the power. He has the speed. We just need to see it timed correctly. Carlos Cortez in the pink duck looking pretty good. We got Tamslene making a push. And now we got Traitorous Chick. Oh boy. We got 50 seconds to go. Traitorous Chick making a push to the front. We got RG Ace. We got Victor. I mean, you're going to want to reserve your energy here, Traitorous Chick. Least Estimator. I like what I'm seeing from Least Estimator. I like what I'm seeing. He is reserving his energy. Okay, it is down the final stretch. It is 30 seconds to go. 25 seconds. Who's going to make that push? We got Carlos Cortez. He's making a push. And toward the lead, here he comes. But hold on, here comes Least Estimator. Can he do it? Here we go. This is the time you gotta put on the speed. Oh, he's falling back. Now we got DM. DM is looking like he's gonna win, and he will. DM puts it through, and he wins. Good job. Good job. Did the red duck not win?
Yeah.
Are you sad?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you love the yellow duck now?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 5. Okay, yellow duck win. Give me 5. Good job. Was that fun?
Yeah. This is the real fun.
This is real fun. All right, guys. Well, that concludes the duck race for today. That was really fun. That was some good stuff. We had Design Knob with the first heat. We had Black Coffee Trader win the second heat. And then we have DM with the third heat. Make sure you send me an email and I will send you those codes. Thanks for playing. That was a lot of fun. So, I think, hang on, let me get this down. Good times, man. Design, I can't, wait till John comes back. John isn't here, but John is not going to believe. John is not going to believe his eyes when he sees who won. He's definitely going to say it's rigged. But you know, it's not rigged. We can do a full investigation and we can see this is legit. All right, everybody. Thanks for playing. Kellyanne is correct. This game is rigged. All right, Cody. Are you ready to go play again? Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Good job. And all right. I watched it. I still think it's rigged. Oh man, we will never know. We will never really know if it's rigged or not. All right. Does everybody have my email address? I'm pretty sure Design. Kinja. No, Cove Trader. Did you miss it? Oh man, that's unfortunate. Design Knob, you have DM. Do you don't have my? Hang on. I'm gonna put my. Hang on. I'm gonna put my email in the chat below. All right, there we go. Man, this market really did pull back quite a bit. Will it recover? All right. Okay, DM, yeah, perfect. All right, I will wait for your guys' email. And Black Coffee, I'm pretty sure I have your email. Oh, this is too good. Too good. All right, let me get the codes. Feel like the market wants to dump? It does kind of feel like it's just struggled, and we could be in for a little pullback. maybe test the lows again, maybe. I don't know. Okay, perfect. DM. Uh, all right, DM. Perfect DM. Yes, I'm pretty sure this is you. I'm pretty sure this is you, but I sent you a 4-digit code. Go ahead and put it in the chat just to make sure. Just to make sure. All right, market. What's it gonna be? Feel like we're just kind of hovering. Nice try, Rad Poker. Hey, thank you, DM. Wow, this is gonna pull back more now. Very interesting indeed. Does feel like we might just kind of bleed lower. We're not that far away from the session lows. Kind of curious to see what happens. I'm not sure I want to find out. You never showed the commercial for the Nutty Bar chocolates. Trading ever after. What was that again? Oh, man. Yeah, I got to go back and look at it. I do remember it. But, all right, what do we got? Feel like we might bleed lower. Feeling a little, market's feeling a little heavy. All right, maybe we try to get a move higher. I mailed it. Oh, I see. Copy. Man, this is tempting to go short. Just ride. It seems like it's respecting this EMA now. Hey, R. Crawford. Good to see you. Man, I might take, if we come up and bump our head against on this 815s, I might take that short. I'm taking it. I could have my stop like right here, to be honest. Let's go. Let's go. Another little scalp. It's crazy how it's crazy how 22 ticks at a time, it really does add up. What made me go into that level? I mean, just the fact that we've been respecting this EMA and just slowly going lower. I just wanted to be short at the top of this channel, basically. Go short at the top of the channel, then I can have my stop above it. I mean, that's my thought process. You use the 8 EMA with the 21 SMA? Copy. Thank you, D. Thank you. Yeah, I think I used to use actually the at one point I used the 14 and the 21, but felt I mean, I don't trade off of it, but I just kind of use it for reference. But just starting to feel heavy. It just doesn't feel like we're gonna feel like this was the last push by the bulls higher, and then they gave up. Are we red on the day for the market, or is it? Yeah, it's a red candle right now. So it would need to get above the 870s in order for it to be a green candle for the 9th day in a row. Which I feel like it's pretty crazy. 9 green days in a row is pretty crazy. Again, we came up, just didn't even, we sniffed at the EMA, and now we're pulling back. Could have gotten another scalp right there if I was on my toes. But I'm also kind of getting at the point where I'm pretty happy with where I'm at for the day. And sometimes it's better just to walk away green. You think the market is finishing on the highs today, DA? Wow. I kind of see us just bleeding lower into the close, but I could easily be wrong. I have been wrong before. All right, let's see. Let's see if this breaks above the 810s, breaks above the EMA. And then we need to break above the 815s here too. And down we go. She don't want to quit. You do the SMA 9, 15, 50, and 100. I see. What time frame do you use to trade? Man, if we get above this EMA now, I do like, this is a very nice candle if you're looking for a long. If we break above the 815s, maybe we make a move. Maybe we try to make new highs. I I could see either or right now. I could see us going lower or higher. I don't particularly care. Right now, it's just a chop fest. And I'm trying to think what the point is of me trading more. I don't see a lot of positives to keep trading, to be honest. Okay, there we go. Breaking, actually getting above the EMA now. Let's see if we keep going above the 14, 15s. She's trying. She's trying to push it. Okay, here we go. Above the 17s. This looks like it wants to push. Maybe. Man, it's tempting here to take like a shot at this long. Yeah, this is now it's pulling back again. All right, I'm going to call it here, guys. I'm just going to call it. If I continue trading, take a loss, you know how it goes. Let's walk away up and green and shut her down. Shut her down. We have done our job today. We have done our job. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end it here, and we shall be back in the morning. Same time, same channel. Thanks, everyone, for tuning in. Appreciate all your support. Take care. Have a great